Okay, for my next video, it's how to set up AVHE in your home desktop or laptop. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the basic required hardware and software. So, you won't, I will not include the other deeper part of it because you don't really need it. If you just need to check your email or access your command share drive. Okay, so the basic requirements are CAC reader. So they cost somewhere around 20 to 10 bucks. So let's see how much do they go now. So on Amazon looks like they're somewhere around 18 bucks. Um, so uh, right now it's on sale, so it's like 15 bucks, 14.49, and this is what I would recommend, the SCR 3310 version 2.0. Okay, so you can find it on Amazon. Alright, so the next is the DoD search. So you can get this to military CAC website. Okay, so load on this on Amazon. Alright, so military CAC website. So I will walk you through right now. Military CAC, I had it on my previous search. So let's get into it. So there are a couple of steps for the DoD search to get into it, but at this time I will go straight to what we need. So I will go step 3, which are the DoD certificates. Those are the next requirement that we need. So I'll click on step 3, and then so this is what we need: the application name, install root. So 5.5 is the latest version they had, and there are a couple of options in here, and I will take this MSI version. Okay, so I already had that in my previous, a couple of minutes ago I downloaded the required stuff. So insta root, so this is okay. Let me create a folder for those required AVHE requirements. Alright, so this is what we need, the insta root. And the next one is the Citrix software. So where can we get the Citrix? It's also free. So we'll just go to Citrix Workspace. So that's your keyword right there, Citrix Workspace. Then we'll search for it. And then download. And from here we have to take Windows. Yeah, by the way, I'm using the Windows version. There's also another version for the Mac, but this video is all about Windows. It could be Windows 10 or 11. Alright, so let's download the latest Workspace app. And if you click on download, this might take a while, 726. So if you click on it, he'll try downloading. But this is the one that is currently being processed by now, but I already downloaded it a minute ago before I started this recording. So I'll take this one. So this is the exact file that we're currently doing right now, so I might just probably cancel this. Alright, so just these two files will get you going. Alright, let me close the browser, and now let's set it up. So we got the two softwares required for AVHE, the Instaroot which contains the DoD certs and the Citrix workspace. Okay, so let's set this up. Instaroot. Let's close that. Alright, so now I'm running this application, the install root. Let's click next, 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 nothing to configure. It's pretty basic. Okay, so there you go. It says run install root. Okay, for this quick start you can just X that out. And now close that. And then let's see. Alright, so you don't need to check those, you just have to install the certs. Click yes. And then 26 out of 26, okay. There you go. Then you have to save settings. And then usually what I do is I have to recheck, verify, so I have to rerun it as an admin. This is just to make sure that I got all the certs that I need. Okay, so next finish. Then I will check again. Online update. Okay, so there are no new certs, so at least we got the latest. Now I can close that. Next is Citrix workspace. Alright, click start, accept, and then I would not recommend you guys ticking this option box right here, start app protection, because if you did a check on this one, it will disable the print screen feature of your computer. Like say somebody needs to remote in and assist you with what's going on in your computer, was they will be able to connect, but they will see a black screen on their end. And sometimes if you're working on something in your projects or whatever, you won't be able to use a print screen because it was disabled. Alright, so add account, you don't need to do this. Just click finish. And now we are set. So it didn't ask for anything like a reboot or something, but I would still recommend you guys need to reboot your computer at least one time. And then after reboot, start typing AVHE health mail. Oh, before that, your CAD card should be inserted before you go into the site. Card first, CAD card first, and then the site. Alright, and there you go. It reads my CAD card, my pin, and there you go. So once you're in, you will see this message. Click the text Citrix and you can just simply click that box, open with your Citrix workspace, click already installed. So it looks like it's a success for this installation. So the required files are only these two files. These are the only thing that you need. These two files and a calc reader. Okay, so now you are currently looking at the AVHE dashboard. So just a few navigation tips for you guys. If you notice on top, we have home, apps, and desktops. So if you click on home, you might notice that mine had a couple of them showing on my dashboard, a few icons, and yours is barely nothing. So these are just favorites. So if you want them on your home dashboard, all you have to do is go to the desktop tab, and then I got a few showing on mine because I'm supporting a few few clinics, and just simply check the box and it should show on your main dashboard. Same with the apps, like say demos, NavFit. So if you go on apps, everything should be in here pretty much. So yeah, so demos, you can select demos based on your current duty station. You just have to find the right account for you based on your current location. And I know NavFit is also here, which is being asked by a few folks, but I would still recommend you guys start switching to NavFit. Okay, so let's get inside of what AVHE is. So let's run a virtual PC. So just click this tab and click open, and it should download a small client file. If it sometimes it will ask you to save it manually. You can actually save it anywhere, and after download you can just execute the file. And those files downloaded are one-time use. So say you already closed your current window, AVHE Windows, and if you want to get back on it, you should do the same process to open a new one. So still click open again and download another file. Okay, so we're installed. Oh, there you go. Now it's fully loaded. So if you notice, it should be the same screen as what you had in your work, and the icons should be almost the same, but there are a couple of new icons that you're not familiar with. So don't worry about those. And if you want to check the file explorer, your command share drive should be automatically mapped in it. Same with your personal command share drive. So command share drive, it was named CSMS. So if you open this CSMS, it should automatically point you to your current command share drive. Same with your command personal drive. Okay. So I have a few questions from some current users. They're asking if they are able to use two monitors, and the answer for that is yes. So how do you do that? So all you have to do, say you have current two screens on. All you had to do is drag the window, this AVHE window in the middle of both screens, and then all you have to do is click full screen, and it should automatically split the screen into extended version. And if you had some additional questions, just Type it down on the comment down below.